Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Oppo mobile phone shortcut setting. And today video title is guys how to change icon size, icon style in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to change your phone icon style, icon size. Friends, you want to change, so friends, how to change one by one, step by step, friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Oppo mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, click here and friends you can check theme setting, wallpaper setting, app layout setting, icon style setting. So friends, click here icon style. And friends, you want to change your icon style, so friends you can change your icon style. And friends, you want to set default style, so you can set default style. And friends, you want to use custom style, so friends click here and friends you can select custom icon style in your Oppo mobile. Friends, I will use this style. And friends, icon size you want to change, so friends you can increase and you can decrease icon size in your Oppo mobile. Friends, you can check icon size, and friends icon style will change in Oppo mobile. Wait here. And friends, we have new style, we have new icon size in Oppo mobile. So like that friends, you can change, you can update your phone icon size, icon style in your Oppo mobile. And friends, you want to use default, so friends click here default, icon size will default. And friends, you want to decrease icon size, so you can decrease icon size in your Oppo mobile. Friends, you can see icon size will decrease in Oppo mobile. So friends, I will increase. App layout setting. App layout friends, row and column and row. Friends, you want to change in your Oppo mobile, you can change from here. Friends, UI color you want to change, so you can select color and you can change your UI color. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.